This video explains how you can connect Credit Hound to your Sage 50 accounting company data so you can start using Credit Hound for the first time. To connect Credit Hound to Sage 50, the Credit Hound connector agent needs to be downloaded and installed. Once installed, your Sage 50 accounting data will be synchronized to Credit Hound in the cloud. Further synchronizations can be scheduled to run periodically once the first sync has completed. The Credit Hound connector agent only needs to be installed once on a single PC. You should ensure the PC you plan to install the agent on meets the following criteria. The PC has administrator access rights. The PC is running Sage 50 accounting. If you have Sage 50 accounting installed on more than one PC, choose a PC that's used frequently, as the computer must be both powered on and connected to the internet for the Credit Hound data synchronization to occur. You'll also need to ensure that Sage 50 accounting is set to allow third-party programs to access your company data. To do this, select Maintain, Users, Set up Security, click on the Data Access Crystal Reports tab. Select the option for with the following login information and then click the Change button. You should now enter a password of either 7 or 8 characters long, which must contain both alpha and numeric characters. Make a note of both the ID and password entered in Sage 50, as you will need these during the installation process. Log in to my.credithoundcloud.com and enter the email address and password you used when creating your Dracer account. The Add Company wizard will appear. Click Next to start getting connected. Sage 50 is already selected for you, so click Next to continue. Click Download to download the Credit Hound connector agent. Once this is downloaded, copy it to your desktop. Double-click on the file to start the installation wizard. Click Next at the welcome screen, then accept the terms in the license agreement before clicking Next again. Now click Install to start the installation process. Click Finish once the installation is complete. The Credit Hound agent will launch and guide you through connecting Credit Hound to your Sage 50 accounting data. Select the accounting system version you'd like to connect to before clicking Next. Now select the Sage 50 accounting company data set you'd like to connect to. I'm using Bellwether Garden Supply for demonstration purposes. Click Next again. Now enter the password you made a note of from the Data Access tab in Sage 50 prior to installation before clicking Next. This will ensure Credit Hound has permission to access your Sage 50 data. Click Next to launch the Credit Hound login page. Log in to Credit Hound using the email address and password for your Dracer account. As this is your first time linking your account's data to Credit Hound, leave New Credit Hound Company selected and click Next. The Company Details screen pulls through the company details from the Sage 50 accounting company you're connecting to. You can make changes to this data if required before clicking Next. Please note, any changes made in this screen will not write back to your Sage 50 accounting company. Click Finish to complete the installation process. Credit Hound will now launch and the data synchronization process will start. Give the sync process some time to complete before refreshing the browser. You'll now see your Sage 50 accounting data in Credit Hound. Now you've seen how to prepare for and install the Credit Hound connector agent and how to connect your Sage 50 accounting data to Credit Hound. Why not see how Credit Hound works by taking our product tour, which you can access via the eye icon next to the overview heading. You've now completed this Credit Hound video. Thanks for watching.